Netizens, hindi nagustuhan ang ginawa ni BINI member Maloy Recalde sa video ng lalaking sumasayaw. Hindi nagustuhan ng netizens ang ginawa ng isa sa BINI members na si Maloy matapos i-repost ang video ng lalaking tila exaggerated sumayaw. Ang naturang video ng lalaki ay nirepost ni Maloy sa TikTok. Say ni Maloy sa comment section, "Napatawa mo ako, ha 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 ha." Ngunit agad na umani ng komento mula sa netizens ang kanyang pag-share ng video dahil napag-alaman ang naturang video ay panggagaya o panghahamak sa person with disability or PWD. Marami ang umalma at nag-call out sa ginawa ni BINI Maloy kaya agad siyang naging hot topic sa X o dating Twitter. Laughing at and reposting a video that mocks people with disabilities is not and will never be okay, saad ng isang netizen. Sabi naman ng isa, "To that Louie guy, Maloy, and everyone who love and reposted this video, please take the time to educate yourselves and learn why this topic is sensitive." Nakarating naman agad sa dalaga ang mga pahayag ng netizens at agad na agad naglabas ng public apology sa kanyang nagawa. So the tweets, "I am deeply sorry. It will never be my intention to hurt anyone," saad ni Maloy sa X na dating Twitter. Nangako naman ng dalaga na mas magiging maingat na ito sa susunod. "I respect everyone regardless of who and what they are. I will be more careful next time," pagpapatuloy ni Maloy. Nagpasalamat rin ito sa mga taong maayos siyang pinagsabihan sa maling nagawa. "Thank you to those who educated me nicely. I appreciate you all," dagdag pa ni Maloy. Sa comment section, makikitang sinusubukang i-cheer up ng mga blooms ang kanilang iniidolo at nagpasalamat dahil accountable ito sa kanyang maling nagawa. "Thank you for taking accountability and hoping that everyone will be educated moving forward. Love you, Maloy," say ng isang netizen. Sabi pa ng isa, "I hope we all learn from this. Educating others is never an attack. It's a call out for them to learn and do better. While the intention might not have been to offend, we must know that PWDs experience these things. They get hurt too. So let's be kind and understanding." Thank you for taking accountability, Maloy. We appreciate it so much. Let's all be open to being educated and help ourselves move forward from this. We love you and have a great day. Hirit pa ng isang fan ng BINI.